Da 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 da. Hi everybody, it's Mr. Alqamoussi, and today we're going to be going over English root words. One way to approach words we don't know is to think of them like this. Big words are made of smaller words. This means that if we see a long multi-syllable English word and we don't know its meaning, we can usually figure it out by breaking it down. How do we do it? We break the word down into its individual morphemes, or single unit meanings. There are three types of morphemes: the prefix, the root, and the suffix. In this lesson, we will focus on the morpheme called the root, which is the main meaning of the building block of the word. Most of our roots come from Greek and Latin, as well as other languages such as French, German, Arabic, Spanish, and even Japanese. Roots can be modified with affixes, called prefixes and suffixes, which are added before or after the root. So, to illustrate this point, let's explore the Latin root cred, which means to believe or trust. Cred can be found in a number of common English words, such as incredible, which means not able to believe; discredit, which means to take away one's trustworthiness; accreditation, which is the gain or addition of trust; and credibility, which is the overall ability to trust or believe. These many uses of cred reveal the importance of the root to the overall meaning of the word. Now let's explore some other common roots. Number your page from 1 to 7. In a moment you will see a root word at the top of the screen, which will appear in blue. Under it you'll find some words which include the given root. Try to guess or infer the meaning of the root based on the clues in the words provided. You may begin. And now, here are the correct answers. How'd you do? Hopefully this video has helped you identify word meanings in common English words. Thanks for watching.